Uy, day off ko ngayon. May naisip akong gawin. Mamitas ng aking moringa pods or bunga ng malunggay para may maipamigay. Kasi I've been telling everybody about the great benefit of moringa. Number one, it is a superfood. Plus, yung leaves, yung bunga, the pods, you can use it for tea, for soup, for anything. And it is an antioxidant and has so much benefit. This moringa pods, seeds, can even be used as a water filter. Kaya talagang malaki ang magiging benefit nito in the future. If only people will know ang benefit ng moringa, I think every household will have or would want to have a tree of moringa in their backyard. Kasi talagang napakarami mong makukuhang benefit dito. Plus, hindi ka nabibili. Imagine mo, sa isang punong ito, ang daming kong nakukuha araw-araw kung gusto kong mamitas. Kaya, I encourage everyone, let's plant moringa in your backyard or in your home land because this is where the future of sustainability will lies. Thanks for joining.